Hello students, today I will take a chapter heights and distances. It is from class 10. I have already done one episode and I have uploaded it to the YouTube. Now I am doing the consecutive episodes. आज हम लोग heights and distance के जो problems है वो बनाएंगे. स्टूडेंट्स तुम फॉलो करो ठीक से और जैसे हम यहाँ पे करेंगे वैसे तुम लोग करना. दैट मीन्स यू मस्ट राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन ऑन योर कॉपी एंड देन सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. क्लियर? A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground 20 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. What is the height of the tower? So, at first I am drawing the picture. Here the problem is a tower is standing on the ground from the point C. Someone is looking at an angle of 60 degree towards the top of the tower. He is observing the top of the tower. So angle ACB is 60 degree and this point C is 20 meters away from the point B. The problem is to find the height AB. You know that perpendicular and base, these two sides of the right angle triangle relates to tangent. So tan 60 equal to AB by BC. Root 3 equal to AB by 20. AB equals means 34, 64, 34.64, 34.64 meter. 34.64 meter. This is the height of the tower. This is problem number 1. अब हम लोग जाएंगे प्रॉब्लम नंबर 2. Problem number 2 is the angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree. The angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree, and the foot of the ladder is 9.5 meter away from the wall. Foot of the wall. Find the length of the ladder. The angle of elevation of a ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree. So here I am drawing a right angle triangle. This is A, B, C. This is 90 degree, and this angle is 60 degree. This is 9.5 meter. We have to find the length AC. So this is hypotenuse and this is base. Cos theta equals to base by hypotenuse. So cos 60 degree equals to base by hypotenuse. Cos 60 means sin 30. This is half. 9.5 AC. So AC equals to 19 मीटर. प्रॉब्लम जो है वो इजी है, शुरुआत में जो है इजी है, लेकिन ये इजी प्रॉब्लम ही तुमको करके टफ प्रॉब्लम में जाना पड़ेगा. Number 3. A ladder is placed along a wall of a house such that its upper end is touching the top of the wall. A ladder is placed along a wall of a house along a wall of a house. Such that its upper end is touching the top of the wall. Touching the top of the wall. The foot of the ladder is 2 meters away from the wall. The foot of the ladder is 2 meters away from the wall. And the ladder is making an angle of 60 degree with the level of the ground. Determine the height of the wall. So, according to question, this is 2 meter. This is 60 degree. So, we have to find the height, that means AB. Tan 60 equals to AB by BC. Root 3 equal to AB by 2. AB equals to 2 root 3. That means 2 into 1.732. 3.464 meter. This is the height of the wall. चलो ठीक है, ये वाला हो गया. नंबर 3 इज कंप्लीटेड. इजी प्रॉब्लम है, उतना टफ कुछ नहीं है. 4. Problem 4. An electric pole is, actually I am dictating the problem, it is better to dictate. An electric pole is 10 meter high. A steel wire tied to the top of the pole is affixed at a point on the ground to keep the pole upright. If the wire makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal through the foot of the pole, find the length of the wire. Yeah. 10 meter high. This is problem number 4. This is an electric pole which is 10 meter height. Now this is a wire which is tied, which is attached to the ground. The steel wire, it is affixed at a point on the ground to keep the pole upright, and the wire makes an angle of 45 degrees with the horizontal through the foot of the pole. This is 45 degree. The question is, find the length of the wire. That means AC. We have to find the length AC. AB is 10 meter and angle ACB is 45 degree. So hypotenuse and perpendicular, that means sine ACB equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 45 degree equal to 10 by AC. So 1 by root 2 equals to 10 by AC. Therefore AC equals to 10 root 2 meter. क्लियर? ज़्यादा टफ नहीं है, खाली वो परपेंडिकुलर, हाइपोटेन्यूज, बेस जो भी गिवन है उसको पहले रीड करके देख लो, उसके बाद प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करो. Now problem number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 75 meter from the ground level. So this height is 75 meter. This is the kite. Attached to a string inclined at 60 degrees to the horizon. The kite is at the point A, it is 75 meter above the ground, and this is AC, this is a string, or the length of the string is AC. It is making an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal ground. Find the length of the string to the nearest meter. We have to find AC. AB is given 75 meter. Angle ACB, it is 60 degree. So perpendicular and hypotenuse, there is sine theta. Sine 60 degree perpendicular by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2 equals to 75 by AC. So AC will be 150 by root 3, implies that AC equals to 150 root 3 by 3. That means multiplying the numerator and denominator with root 3. It is 50 root 3 meter. 50 root 3 meter. Clear? Now come to 6. Problem number 6. A ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of a vertical wall. 15 meter. A ladder 15 meter long just reaches the top of a vertical wall. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degree with the wall, then find the length, find the height of the wall. So this AC is the ladder, and this ladder is leaning against a wall which is AB. We have to find the height of the wall. That means AB. So we have to find AB. AC equals to 15 meter. Angle ACB is 60 degree. Sine 60. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2. AB by 15. AB equals to 15 root 3 by 2. Implies that AB equals to 15 into 1.732 by 2. 15 into 0. इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करने से अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू आ जाएगा 86615. $12.99 meter. This is the height of the wall, 12.99. Next, problem number 7. इसको मिटाना हो. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff. यहाँ पे एक फ्लैगस्टाफ है, ये एक टावर है, और यहाँ पे एक फ्लैगस्टाफ है. At a point of the plane 70 meters away from the tower, An observer notices the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of the flagstaff. पहले top फिर bottom. So there are two angles here. Angle ACB, which is 45 degree, and angle DCB, which is 60 degree. BC equals to 70 meter. Question is, height of the flagstaff, that is AD, and height of the tower AB. हमें निकालना होगा AD and AB. So first of all we will take 45 degree sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree is how much? AB by BC. No, sine, not sine, it is tan. Perpendicular by base, tan. AB by BC. So 1 equals to AB by 70. So AB equals to 70 meter. Now we come to tan 60. BD by BC. Root 3 equals to BD. BD means AB plus AD by BC. Root 3 equals to AB is 70. We don't know AD, and BC is 70. So 70 root 3 equals to 70 plus AD. So AD equals to 70 root 3 minus 70. 70 within bracket root 3 minus 1. That is 70 into 0.732. And this will be 5.124 meter. 5.124 meter. तो फ्लैगस्टाफ जो है AD, which is 5.124 meter, and the tower is AB, and that is 70 meter. Clear? Now problem number 8. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 8 में क्या है वो हम लोग देखेंगे अभी. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 8 is a vertical straight tree 15 meter high is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Okay, तो हमें थोड़ा चेंज करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे. vertical straight tree 15-meter high is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. That is from here to here 15 meter, and we take this portion as x and the angle is 60 degree. Is it? Yeah. We have to find the value of x. Vertical straight tree 15-meter high is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground and makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. At what height from the ground the tree break? Did the tree break? यहाँ से जो ब्रेक हुआ है ये हाइट कितना है? अच्छा, तो ये हो जाएगा 15 minus x. So we take sine, because this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. Sine 60 equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Root 3 by 2. X by 15 minus x. Two x equals to 15 root 3 minus root 3x. 2 minus root 3 x equals to 15 root 3. X equals to 15 root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Now this is denominator and we have to rationalize this part. We will write 15 root 3 into 2 plus root 3, and it is 2 minus root 3, 2 plus root 3. Ultimately x equals to 15 root 3, 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus 3. तो हमें ये करना होगा 30 root 3 plus 45. That means 30 into 1.732 plus 45. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया. पूरा 15 है, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, it's right. Then 2x. Oh, I have done wrong. Here it is plus. It should be plus, and these two must be minus. Then it's fine. Minus. Minus. 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. 0. 3 places decimal, 45. So 5 here, 6.96. 6.96. That means at a height of 6.96, this tree has broken down and the top touches the ground. Clear? So this is all about question number 8. Now we come to problem number 9. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height 5 meters. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the flagstaff are respectively 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Problem number 9. This is the horizontal level. This is the tower. And there is a flagstaff here. From here So I write A, this point B, C, D. Clear? Now this portion is of 5 meter length. तो हमें जो करना है टावर का हाइट, that means BC. So AB equals to 5 meter, BC we don't know. Angle ADC, it is 60 degree. And angle BDC, it is 30 degree. Let us find out BC. First of all, let it be X, say. So sine 60, at first we write, no, tan 30. Tan 30 क्या होगा? BC by CD. It is 1 by root 3 x by CD. So CD equals to root 3x. Now we come to tan 60. Tan 60. It is AC by CD. Root 3 equal to AC means this plus this, 5 plus x, and CD means root 3x. So what we get, 3x equals to 5 plus x, 2x equals to 5, x equals to 5 by 2, that is 2.5 meter. So the height of the tower is 2.5 meter. ठीक से समझ लो ये स्टेटमेंट. क्वेश्चंस हमने लिखने बोले थे लेकिन वो टाइम थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगेगा, इसलिए just follow what I say and then solve the problem. Now we will come to question number 10. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में क्या है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 is a person observed the angle of elevation of the top of a tower as 30 degree. He walked 50 meter towards the foot of the tower. Okay. Number 10. This is 30. He walks 50 meter towards the tower. Foot of the tower along level ground and found the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as 60. This is C and this is 60 and this is D. Now CD is 50 meter. CD is 50 meter. What we have to find? We have to find the height of the tower. That means AB. So angle ADB, it is 30. Angle ACB, it is 60. CD 50 meter. first we write tan 30. Tan 30. It is AB by BD. One by root 3 equal to AB by 50 plus x. So AB equals to 50 plus x by root 3. Now we come to tan 60. It is AB by BC. Implies that root 3 equal to AB by BC means x. So AB equals to how much? Root 3x. We write the value of AB. This one. 50 plus x by root 3 equal to root 3x. What we get? Multiply this by this. We have 3x equals to 50 plus x. 2x equals to 50. Therefore, x equals to 25 meter. But we have to find AB. AB is how much? AB is root 3x. Root 3x. So it is 25 root 3 meter. This is the answer. Clear? This is the answer. This is number 10. Now problem number 11. I am reading the problem. The shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation is of the sun is 45 degree is found to be 10 meter longer than when it was 60 degree. This is 60 degree and this is 45 degree. A, B, C, D. The shadow of a tower when the angle of elevation of the sun is 45 degree is found to be 10 meter longer. So according to the statement, CD is 10 meter. We don't know BC. Let it be X. We don't know AB. Now we have to find this one. Angle ADB, it is 45 degree, and angle ACB, it is 60 degree. So at first 60. It is AB by BC. So root 3 equal to AB by x. So AB is root 3x. Now tan 45. It is AB by BD. 1 equal to AB by BD. So AB equals to BD. AB is how much? We don't know AB, but it root 3x is the value. Now BD is how much? X plus 10. So x into root 3 minus 1 equals to 10. Next, x equals to 10 by root 3 minus 1. It will be 10 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 root 3 plus 1. Ultimately it will be 10 into 2.732 and this is 2. So 5 into 2.732 . 13.66. This is the value of x. But we have to find AB. So AB is root 3x. Root 3x means this portion. Root 3 into 5 root 3. No. Root 3 into, better multiply, 13.66. 1.732 into 13.66. अगर हम लोग मल्टीप्लाई कर देते हैं तो अप्रॉक्स वैल्यू आ जाएगा, अप्रॉक्सीमेट वैल्यू आएगा 25-26 के आसपास होगा। 1366 1732। to 5. 23.66. Now this is the height of the tower. Now BC and BD is shadow. These are two shadows of the tower. But the question is, what is the height of the tower AB? So AB is 23.66 meters. Clear? Now we will go to problem number 12. the more you practice with your uh, power or energy, that means I want to say that you use your hand, your brain to calculate everything. मशीन जितना कम यूज़ करोगे उतना ही तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा है. मल्टीप्लाई कैलकुलेटर से कर सकते हो, लेकिन बट डू इट वर्बली. मल्टीप्लाई करो, राइट द क्वेश्चंस, ड्रॉ द ग्राफ पिक्चर एंड कैलकुलेट इट. जितना अपना ब्रेन को यूज़ करोगे उतना ही तुम्हारे लिए ठीक रहेगा. इन फ्रंट मतलब इन व्यू ऑफ द एग्ज़ाम हॉल में परफॉर्मेंस ठीक ठाक करना एक चैलेंज होता है. अपने दिमाग को कितना ठंडा रख सकते हो, नॉर्मल कितना रख सकते हो, सोच सकते हो. विद इन 3 आवर्स तुम्हें बहुत कुछ करना होगा, लेकिन उसके लिए एक प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. विदाउट प्रैक्टिस यू कैनॉट डू. प्रिपरेशन चाहिए, तो वो प्रिपरेशन तुम्हारा घर में करना पड़ेगा. यू हैव टू डू दैट प्रिपरेशन इन योर होम. Practice by practice you can achieve this. Now we will go to problem number 12. A parachutist is descending vertically and makes an angle of 45 degree and 60 degree at 2 observing points 100 meter apart from each other. This is angle of depression. This is also angle of depression. Now this angle becomes 45 degree. No, this is 60 degree. And this angle becomes 45 degree. A, B, C, D. It is 100 meter. The question is, find the maximum height from which he falls and the distance of the point from where he falls on the ground from the just observation point. यानी ये पॉइंट से ये डिस्टेंस कितना है. Find the maximum height from which he falls. So AB and the distance of the point where he falls, this one, on the ground from the just observation point. मतलब यहाँ से C points. So basically we have to found AB. What is AB and what is BC? We have to find these two length, AB and BC. CD is given, it is 100 meter. Angle ACB, it is 60 degree. Angle ADB, it is 45 degree. So at first I will do tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. It is better because the value of tan 45 is 1. So it will be easy to calculate. Tan 45 degree is what? AB by BD. So 1 equal to AB by BD. That means AB equals to BD. We don't know AB, and BD is how much? BC plus 100. again tan 60, it is AB by BC, root 3 equal to AB by 100. No, it is BC, AB by BC. So BC equal to AB by root 3. हमें AB निकालना है, BC भी निकालना है. ओके, सो व्हाट वी राइट हियर, एक काम करते हैं, इसको AB इक्वल्स टू लिख देते हैं. वी राइट AB इक्वल टू root 3 BC, and this I will replace here. Root 3 BC equal to BC plus 100. So root 3 minus 1, this is BC equal to 100. So BC will be how much? 100 by root 3 minus 1, it will be 100 into root 3 plus 1. That means root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1, it will be 100 into root 3 plus 1, 2, that is 50 into root 3 plus 1. This is BC. And what about AB? What about AB? AB will be, अब रूट 3 इसको कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा, 50 into 2.732, क्योंकि रूट 3 का वैल्यू होता है 1.732 प्लस 1 2.732. सो 5 2 जा 10, कैरी 1, 15 16, कैरी 1, 36, कैरी 3, 5 2 जा 10 प्लस 3 13, 0 यहाँ, अब 3 हाउस पे 136. It is 136.6 meter. This is BC. 136.6. So AB will be how much? AB will be BC plus 100. 136.6 plus 100. It will be 236.6 meter. So 236.6 meter. देखते हैं एक बार आंसर क्या है. हाँ, it's okay. So I have done number 12. Problem number 12. एक पैराशूटिस्ट यहाँ से देख रहा है ये पॉइंट को, ये पॉइंट का ये जो एंगल दिया है ये भी है. Now difference between these 2 points is 100 meter. Question is what is AB and what is BC? So basically I have taken nothing AB and BC. I have put just AB and BC. Ultimately BC is 136.6 and AB is this much, 236.6. हो गया है. Now we will go to problem number 13. प्रॉब्लम नंबर 13 में क्या है देखते हैं. On the same side of a tower, two objects are located. Okay. यहाँ से देख रहा है, एक मिला है 60 पे और एक मिला है 45। This is the horizontal line parallel to this, and this angle is this one, and this one is this one. So it is 60 and it is 45. Clear? If the height of the tower is 150 meter, 150 meter, distance between CD, we have to find CD. So AB is given, it is 150 meter. Angle ACB, it is 60. Angle ADB, it is 45. Now we come to BC. We don't know BC. Let it be X, and this one be Y. So at first I write tan 45 degree. It is AB by BD. 1 equal to AB. AB is 150. 150. And BD is X plus Y. So X plus Y equals to 150. Again tan 60, it is AB by BC, so √3 equal to 150 by X, X equals to 150 by √3, it will be 50 √3, 50 √3. But we have to find Y. So Y equals to 150 minus X. It is 150 minus 50 √3. 50 √3. 150 minus 50 into 1.732. 150 minus 5 into 17.32. $86.60. So how much? It will be 87. It is 13 and 50. 13 and 50, how much? Adding 63.40 meter. So this portion is 63.40 meter. Clear? पहले मैंने क्वेश्चन जो है उसको रीड कर दिए थे, तुम लोग रिवाइंड करके एक बार देख लेना क्वेश्चन क्या है। क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं है, एक टावर है, AB is the tower and someone is observing from this portion two objects situated at C and D. The height of the tower is 150 and the angle of depression is 45 degree and this portion is 60 degree. So what is the distance between these two objects? Ultimately I have solved the problem. Clear? Now we will go to problem number 14. ज़्यादा फास्ट मत करो, क्योंकि अगर ज़्यादा फास्ट करोगे तो गलती होने का चांस बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. सो डू इट स्टेडीली. If you observe this video and do not write anything in your copy, then your achievement will be zero. तुम्हारा जो अचीवमेंट होगा इस वीडियो से वो ज़ीरो होगा. बट इफ़ यू राइट एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व 2, 3, 4 times or 5 times by yourself, then your achievement will be 100%. प्रैक्टिस करना होगा, वीडियो देखने से कुछ नहीं होता है. If you write in your copy what you see, then it will be something what you have achieved. I will go to problem number 14. The angle of elevation of a tower from a point on the same level as the foot of the tower is 30 degree. On advancing 150 meters towards the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the tower becomes 60 degree. Show that the height of the tower is 129.9 meters. तो बेसिकली क्या है, एक टावर है, दो ऑब्जर्विंग पॉइंट्स है. लेट इट बी ए, बी, दिस इज सी and this is D. This is 60 degree and this is 30 degree. Distance between CD is 150 meter. We have to find AB. Let BC be X. So tan 30 degree. It is AB by BD. 1 by root 3 equal to AB by x plus 150. So AB equal to x plus 150 by root 3. Now tan 60. Tan 60. How much? AB by BC. Root 3 equal to AB by x. So AB equal to 3x. Now I place this value here. What I have, root 3x equals to x plus 150 by root 3. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से आएगा रूट 3x इक्वल्स टू x प्लस 150, 2x इक्वल्स टू 150, x इक्वल्स टू 75 meter. But we have to find the value of AB. So AB equals to 75 root 3. That means 75 into 1.732. ये मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा 1.732 75. So it is 129.9 meter. Now the question has been written that show that the height of the tower is 129.9 meter. AB is the tower and I have found the value of AB which is 129.9 meter. So next problem is 15. नंबर प्रॉब्लम क्या है? The angle of elevation of the top of a tower as observed from a point in a horizontal plane through the tower through the foot of the tower is 32 degree. अब 32 डिग्री वाला तो स्टैंडर्ड प्रॉब्लम में नहीं आएगा ये वाला. Although it is given tan 32 is how much, but we avoid this. I am avoiding this one. Now इसके बाद एक प्रॉब्लम है, उसको हम लोग 15 बनाएंगे. I write here 15. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point A on the ground is 30 degree. Moving a distance of 20 meters towards the foot of the tower to a point B, the angle of elevation increases to 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. So let it be C and D. Find the height of the tower and the distance of the tower from the point A. तो basically हमें क्या निकालना होगा? AC and CD. AC and CD हमें निकालना होगा. We have to find the value of AC and CD. Let this portion be X and this be Y. So tan 30, at first tan 30. Tan 30 is how much? Tan 30 is CD by AC. Tan 30 value क्या है? 1 by root 3. This is Y and this is X plus 20. So root 3Y equals to X plus 20. And tan 60, what about tan 60? Tan 60 is Y by X. Root 3 equal to Y by X. Y equals to root 3X. तो ये Y का जो वैल्यू है यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे. root 3 into root 3x equals to x plus 20. 3x equals to x plus 20. 2x equals to 20. X equals to 10 meter. And y equals to how much? Y equals to root 3 into 10. That means 10 into 1.732. It is 17.32 meter. तो AC जो है, AC equals to 10 plus 20, which is 30 meter. 30. And CD is Y, which is 17.32 मीटर. तो दो वैल्यू हमें निकालना होगा, वो हम निकाल चुके हैं. I have found this AC, which is 30 meter. That means this point is 30 meter away from the foot of this tower, and the height of the tower is 17.32 meter. तो आज जो हम प्रॉब्लम्स बनाए, this will be episode 2. ये है एपिसोड 2. एपिसोड 3 हम अभी थोड़ी देर बाद रिलीज कर देंगे. एक ही साथ में आएगा सब. कंसेक्यूटिव एपिसोड्स हम बोले हैं. तो 15 तक पहले तुम लोग प्रॉब्लम्स बनाओ. ये 15 तक प्रॉब्लम्स पहले बनाओ. आगे और भी प्रॉब्लम्स, बहुत सारा प्रॉब्लम्स हम बनाएंगे. क्लियर?